What's up?
So guys, hari ini kita enaknya ngapain ya? Ngapain?
Gue juga nggak tahu ya.
Gimana?
Ya bebas.
Whatever. Nah guys, kita ngapain ya? Ngapain bayangkan? Kita bikin challenge kalian. Sabi sih.
Keren sih.
Agak yang
Dia dulu kita kayak ini bang.
dia dulu sekali. Fail. So, kali kita bikin challenge yang agak hits sekarang tuh apa sih? Serius sekarang. Apa ya? Yang hits itu ya? Bentar. Sebelum itu, kita lupakan kan? Hari ini kita kedatangan tamu baru guys. Yes. Oh siapa? Namanya?
Ricky
Jangan rusuh, please. Tolong dewasa, mereka nggak dewasa.
Perkenalkan diri lu.
Gua dari Riau, nama gua Ricky Fernando. Salam kenal buat lu semua. Thank you.
Dan kita juga dibantu guys. Kita dibantu siapa? Kamera. Sama kameramen kita.
Ini promoan kita nih, paling kuat minum.
Paling kuat, tapi saat itu
Kenapa kita sebut dia Bromo guys?
Karena setiap dia muntah,
setiap muntah dia minum.
setiap dia minum,
Pasti muntah. Muntah berak. Muntah berak semua.
So, balik ke topik. Kita bikin
Apa nih? Cocoknya apa nih, Bel?
Kita nanti bikin challenge apa ya guys? Tapi gue punya ide sih tadi malam.
Supaya lu belum Sumpah mati.
Gue punya ide sih guys.
Masa iya, Bro? Iya, Bro.
Gimana kalau kita bikin Running Man Challenge? Kalau kalian lakuin, diam kan? Gimana kalau kita bikin Mannequin Challenge ya? Guys, tunggu apa lagi? Kita bakal bikin Mannequin Challenge. This is our Mannequin Challenge.
Black Beatles in the city, be back immediately to confiscate the monies. Race girl, wow, my will. Sent flowers, but you said you didn't receive. But you said you didn't need them. That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old geese. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get in. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the knee. Getting so gone, I'm not blinking. What in the world was I thinking? New day, new money to be made. There is nothing to explain. I'm a fucking black Beetle, cream seats in the Regal, rocking John Lennon lenses, like to see him spread eagle. Took a bitch to the club and let a party on the table, screaming everybody's famous. Like clockwork, I blow it all, then get some more. Get you somebody that can do both. Like Beatles got the babes belly rolling. She thinks she love me, I think she trolling. That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old geese. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get in. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the knee.
Came in with two girls look like scribbles in their real clothes. A broke hoe can only point me to a rich hoe. A yellow bitch with green hair, a real weirdo. Black man, yellow lamb, red like dope. They say they grew out, them just came in through the side though. It's so much money on the floor, we buying school clothes. Why you bring a money machine to the club for? And a pint of lean, pound of weed and a key. I say so.
That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old geese. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get even. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drink. They lose it when the DJ drops the knee.
She's a good teaser, and we blowing reefer. Your body like a work of art, baby. Don't fuck with me, I break your heart, baby. TNG on me, I got a lot of flavor. 50-100 on my feet, I'm trying to kill these haters. I had haters when I was broke.
Don't forget to
Like
comment
and subscribe.